My name is Charlotte Bridgeman. I am originally from Melbourne, Australia. I'm feeling pretty. I am a content creator and I post mostly about fashion, some homewares, lifestyle, all that fun stuff. So we are here today because we're filming the LTK commercial, which I'm very excited to be part of. It's a full-on setup. I didn't realize there's going to be so many people, but I'm excited.
We should get everything in this clean wardrobe that we can. Yeah. Exactly this wardrobe. Yeah.
Can't wait to rip my pants. And I'm excited to play with Waffles as well. I've seen him barking over there.
Waffles, how's it going today? Are you nervous?
All right, we're rolling.
All right, well, here we go. Wish me luck.
Action, Charlotte.
So we're producing 3 films, and they're all super charming stories that are real stories that our creators actually told us in casting, and we've maybe upped the drama a little bit. Charlotte's spot is one of my favorites, and she is at the dog park playing fetch.
And then when I bend over to pick up the ball from Waffles, that's when my pants are gonna split.
She knows it has happened and she's in the middle of the park, so she has to use everything to her advantage, the trees and maybe even Waffles, to help her get out of this situation.
Very nice.
All right, I mean, I kind of feel like we got it.
We have an amazing director, Hannah Lee.
Now you no longer care about fetch. That first moment with Charlotte where the camera pushes in and she realizes what's happened to her leggings, I think everyone just got so excited about, it's like, wow, this idea it's working.
How this all came about was because when I was in a Pilates class in New York, I had my legs in the stirrup things and my pants just split right up the crotch. And I had to quickly, take my legs out and quietly, get out of there. I'm going to be known as the girl who rips her pants on TV. It's just so much fun.
Uh-oh, a ball, sorry. When it's a dog, it's like you don't get mad at them when they don't do the thing you want because they're so cute. I mean, Waffles has been adorable all day.
We're pretty much showing how we've tried so many things over the years. We've all had mishaps, which is kind of what we're showing on the commercial. Working with the crew is amazing. Everyone's so friendly, so nice. I think someone told me there's 100 people working on the commercial, so I never thought that many people would see me splitting my pants I thought that story was, I'm going to take that one to the grave, but unfortunately not. Instead, I'm saying it to 100 people and on TV. At the end of the day, everyone's here to just have fun and create a funny commercial.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap.
Okay, LTK, that's a wrap.